I'm Jim Brogan. I was born here. I've been here all my life. I have 2 degrees from the University of Tennessee. So we do wealth management and retirement planning. So what does that really mean? Anything in your life that could impact your finances, whether it's investing money, whether it's how to structure income, if we can optimize our taxes, so we serve people. And that's part of our mission statement. We serve people.
Well, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Sure hope you had a great weekend. It was an overcast, gray, cooler than average weekend. Yesterday, we only topped out at 76 degrees in Knoxville, 71 in Crossville. So a nice, comfortable feel to the air, considering the time of the year that it actually is, right? Now, as we look at our mid-level energy and spin, we still have this trough that's still kind of working its way slowly our direction. Out ahead of it, we are going to see some rain showers increasing across the area. Now, most of the rain today is going to be further to our south and southeast, but some of that is going to work its way right over East Tennessee by the latter part of the day anyways. We also have moisture that's streaming in from the south, and so not a ton, but we do have that moisture transport that's going to lead to some locally heavy rainfall. But again, the heaviest rain is going to be down across parts of Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Nothing going on out there this morning. We do have mostly cloudy skies, a couple of quick little stray showers over into parts of Fentress County to get the day started. That's about the extent of it. Now, we don't really have a risk for flash flooding today. That's all to our south and southeast. And so as we progress our future cast throughout the day, we're going to stay mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a couple of spotty stray showers, but I think the majority of the rain is going to be across the mountain counties. It's going to be late in the day. That's 9 o'clock here tonight, and you can see how much rain we're going to see down over into the Carolinas, a couple of spotty showers. So I don't think we're going to see as much rain coverage today from what we saw yesterday. So hit and miss. Should be on the lighter side for the most part. We don't have that flash flooding in place. Temperatures this morning start off comfortable. We're in the 60s thanks to the dew points falling into the 50s and 60s, which makes our morning temperatures a little bit cooler than what we had on Sunday. However, as we progress through the day today, we're going to see those temperatures climb, just staying below average, but a little bit warmer than what we had on Sunday as well. We'll be back into the 80s. Our dew points start to come back up, so the mugginess, the typical air that you can wear for the month of August is working its way back in. We do have some upper level energy that's just going to be lingering around the area, so that's going to keep our 40% chance of rain going each and every day. It should fade as we get into the upcoming weekend, so far so good on your Saturday, Sunday forecast. So just through the work week, we're really not looking at a ton of rain here locally. Most of it, as I mentioned, is going to be to our south and off to our east, and that's really going to be the story as we get into next weekend as well. We're really not going to add up to a whole lot more rain. Hey, by the way, we're keeping an eye on the tropics, of course. Tropical wave outlook from the National Hurricane Center. Got a 30% chance of a little low-pressure system becoming our next named storm. Now, we do have Dexter. That's going to be a fish storm and moving its way out into the Atlantic. And we have another wave coming off of Africa that could present some issues down the road for like another week and a half away or so. All right, so here's your 7-day forecast. We'll be in the low 80s all the way through Wednesday, mid to upper 80s, back closer to those average temperatures as we round out the week and head into the upcoming weekend. Again, a little bit of rain throughout the day today, a little bit of rain throughout the week. Nothing really to write home about, but you can always track it with the interactive radar using the East Tennessee Weather app. Have a great day. We'll see you back here in a little bit.